Act 2, Scene 4 starts with Benvolio and Mercutio hanging out. This is later the same morning after Romeo just went to Friar Lawrence. So they're hanging out this morning after the party, and they're wondering what happened to Romeo? Where has he been? And then Romeo himself shows up, and he doesn't really tell his friends what he's been up to, and he's kind of saved by answering by the arrival of the nurse, accompanied by a Capulet servant named Peter. So when she shows up, Mercutio, being the jokester that he is, starts to make fun of the nurse and Peter, and the nurse gets a little offended, but also is kind of returning the jokes because she's another comedic character. And eventually she kind of gets mad and tells Mercutio to back off. She's just here looking for Romeo. Which one is he? So Romeo says it's him, and Peter kind of steps aside so they can talk, and Mercutio and Benvolio run off laughing together. So the nurse doesn't right away tell Romeo what Juliet had to say about him. It's clear that Juliet has told the nurse how she feels about Romeo because the nurse starts off by warning Romeo and says, "Look, if you try to shame Juliet, if you try to hurt her, I'm gonna come after you." And Romeo says, "No, seriously, I'm serious. I've got plans. I've got a friar, and he's gonna marry us this afternoon." And then the nurse becomes super excited. She's very happy for Juliet and for Romeo, and she agrees that she will get the message to Juliet and make sure that Juliet can come to the church that afternoon so she can get married to Romeo.